Hello there, so on this video I'm going to teach you how to make money on this affiliate MyLead network, okay? So this should be the landing page, it's going to be mylead.global/en. So the thing you want to do is of course we need to register or log in. Let's try logging in with my Facebook or Gmail, okay? So if you log in via Google right there, click on it. Just choose any dummy account of Google you have right there, sign it with it properly, and just try and use this one, okay? Give it a second. So just log in with your active one because they're gonna ask for a verification of code later on. Now with this one, you're gonna see now is the time for you to make money. So activate a free account or no, it's really up to you. So your nickname is gonna be this one. You can change it right here. Let me just change a random nickname right there. Activate your free account. So basically, as you can see right there, this is not a free account after the payment period is ended. Okay? So fill up this times right there. Let me just click random stuff over here. Okay, give me a second. So 123 Street, city of Angeles. Okay, and then let's just basically type in a random Philippine password, or rather number. Okay, give me a second right here. I'm just typing numbers right there. So with this, click complete registration. Give it a second to load. It's reloading right now. By the way, affiliate program, basically this website right here helps you connect with all of the networks possible for affiliation. So as you can see right there, incorrect postcode. It says that this is not actually a postcode. This is a province. Okay. So welcome to the family. Go to Discord or go to the blog. Just click on enter right away. It's really up to you guys. So this should be the landing page of affiliate. Now from here and now, just look for affiliate networks. For example, Pinterest. I think Upwork also has affiliation, and even Fiverr. And then just use this MyLead connection with them. Okay. That's it actually. That's how you log in and create an account and actually really work with MyLead. So thank you so much for watching. Please hit the like button and subscribe. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Goodbye for now.